Hi, I got contact traced today. Yeah. Remember, I took a day off because I had dinner with some friends and we were very careful, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed. But one of the three of us came back with a positive COVID-19 test. And he has symptoms now. So, yeah, we'll see. I was on the phone as soon as I got off work, which was around 3 o'clock today. And as soon as I got off work, I was just calling and working. My husband's beside himself because he can't be here to, take care of me. And he's afraid that, like usual, I'll burn the midnight oil and think I'm Superwoman. And so my instructions from my husband is to cut tonight short, and I'm taking lots of immune things, to vitamin C, zinc, and yeah, so much fun. I'll play you a song for it. Hey, like the messy pile of music, ukulele notebooks and stuff over there? Do you have a messy pile like that? One of these days I got to get on electronic because that's a lot of paper. So Greg Gent said he'd help me with that. He's got a really great YouTube channel every Wednesday night where he does a sing-along as guest artist. I got to be a guest artist for him. A really great guy, good player, spreading the ukulele love. Here we go. Here's a little song I wrote. Don't be singing no for no, don't worry. Be happy, don't worry, be happy. In every life there is some trouble, but when you worry, make it double, don't worry. Be happy, don't worry, be happy. Sing with me. Ooh, 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 ooh. See, I feel better already by playing the ukulele. I was starting to go like, I'm really tired, which is true. I'm really tired, and I think my throat's sore, and my chest hurts, and oh no. Come on, get you every time. I'm just gonna have fun. I'm gonna play my ukulele. I'm not gonna practice anything new tonight. I'm just gonna go through all those chord charts that I know that bring me joy. I hope that that's what you can do too this weekend.